And we have big news coming in from Maharashtra, where the BMC elections or the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation elections are due, and the Mahayuti has released its manifesto for the BMC polls. Now, there are many promises, one of them being that the women will get 50% concession as far as bus fares are concerned. There will also be loans for women who want to start businesses. Slum-free city is another promise that they are making, and also a flood-free city is what they are saying. Mahayuti has also made a huge claim. They said that they will make an AI tool to recognize and identify the illegal Bangladeshis and Rohingyas and get rid of them. And joining us right now is India Today's Ritvik Bhalekar. Ritvik, quite a few promises there, ambitious, and some playing to the gallery.
Absolutely. On one side, if we see that Mahayuti's Shiv Sena and BJP versus both the Thackeray brothers, the BMC polls have been polarized on the issue of Marathis and non-Marathis. But today's manifesto released by Mahayuti Alliance clearly says that it's not just Marathi versus non-Marathis, but it will aim to free Mumbai from the intruders like Bangladeshis and Rohingyas, which have settled down in large numbers in the slums in Mumbai, and they are becoming a prominent vote bank in the city, and they are also putting more burden on the infrastructure and the services of the city. So that will be the prime focus of Mahayuti Alliance, that using advanced technology and AI, they will be identifying the citizens in the coming years, and they will free Mumbai from Rohingyas and Bangladeshis. Also, they have clarified that many such announcements will be made and decisions will be taken which will benefit the welfare of the Ladli Behanas in Mumbai. 50% slash will be given in the BST, the public transport system, and also 5 lakhs loan with no interest will be granted to the women who are aiming to start their own small businesses. So many new announcements, and we need to see that how Mumbaikars react to it in the coming election.
Right, Ritvik. Thank you very much for all those details.